QR codes have become one of the most effective ways to share content, whether from print or from digital media. One of the best things we recommend to Dubb partners is to save your QR code and to use it in various places to promote your partner link. Here's how you can get your QR code. In your Dubb dashboard on the right side, where your partner widget is, you'll see an icon for your QR code. And click on that and you will see your personal QR code. This code links people to your partner link, which earns you commissions. Keep in mind that our cookie is a 90-day cookie window. So even if someone doesn't sign up or subscribe on their first visit, as long as the cookie is stored on their browser, you'll still earn your commission. Additionally, if someone else joins the partner program through your referral, they will be placed in your downline, and you will earn a 10% commission from their activities, while they earn a 30% commission. Everyone wins. Now, here are a few ideas on where to place your QR code. Number one is your business cards. We recommend putting your QR code on your business card. This makes it easy so that people can scan and access your partner link whenever you meet someone. If you have a specific video you want to share, you can grab a QR code from any video you create on Dubb. This could be an introductory video, an explanation video, or even one that persuades people to book a time on your calendar. If you're adding a QR code for a video, we also recommend including a call to action button below your video that links directly to your partner link. This ensures that you get your commission. You can also place your QR code on any print materials you have for your business. This helps you share your partner link in brochures, flyers, or posters. If you're hosting a webinar or giving a presentation, consider including a QR code on your slides. This allows your audience to easily scan the code to watch your video or visit your partner link. No matter which methods you choose, you can use any or all of these strategies to promote your partner link and earn commissions. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment below on how you plan to promote the Dubb Partner Program. Remember, sharing is caring, so share this video with a friend and we will see you at the next video.